Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel with another video. And in this video, we find the all values of x where x is a real number. So question is 3 raised to the power x square minus 1 it's equal to x raised to the power x square minus 1. One value of x is 3 because if we replace in our question x is equal to 3 then left hand side is equal to right hand side. But this is not only one solution. Let's find the other solution. So let's start. So find the other value. We divide this question by x raised to the power x square minus 1 on both sides. This will become a 3 raised to the power x square minus 1 divide x raised to the power x square minus 1. It's equal to x raised to the power x square minus 1 over x raised to the power x square minus 1. So this term and this term will cancel, and the right hand side we just get a 1, and the right hand side we copy it. This is a 3 raised to the power x square minus 1 over x square minus 1. Now in the left hand side we use a exponent property. So we recall a property. So we know that a raised to the power n divided by b raised to the power n, it's equal to a by b raised to the power n. So we apply this property on left hand side. So this will become a 3 over x whole raised to the power x square minus 1 is equal to 1. And in the next step we use another property, which is b raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 if b is not equal to 0. So this implies we can write this 1 as a 3 over x raised to the power 0. It's also equal to 1 using this property. Now the left hand side is 3 over x raised to the power x square minus 1. And in the next step, we notice that the base is same. So we compare their exponent. So we get x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if we add a 1 on both sides, then we get a x square is equal to 1. We just find the value of x. So we take a square root on both sides of our question. So this will become a x square root 1 square root. And this square and square root will cancel. We just get a x. Now the square root of 1 it's equal to plus minus 1. Now in the next step we verify this answer. First of all we check for x is equal to 1, and our question is 3 raised to the power x square minus 1 is equal to x raised to the power x square minus 1. So we replace x by 1, so this will become a 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 raised to the power 1 square minus 1. So 1 square is equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the left hand side will become a 3 raised to the power 0. It's equal to, now 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 1. So this will become a 1 raised to the power 0. And using this property b raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, so this will become a 1 and this will become a 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have done, and one value of x is 1. Now we verify for x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So our question is this. So we replace the x by minus 1. So this will become a 3 raised to the power minus 1 square minus 1. It's equal to, this is a minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 square minus 1. So 3 raised to the power minus 1 square it's equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the left hand side will become a 3 raised to the power 0. Now look at this. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this will become a minus 1 raised to the power 0. So as we know, 3 raised to power 0 is 1 and minus 1 raised to power 0 is 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have done for x is equal to minus 1. Now look at this. What happens if the base is minus 1? If the base is a minus 1, so this implies x is equal to minus 3. So we substitute x is equal to minus 3 in this equation. So this will become 3 over minus 3 raised to the power x is minus 3 raised to the power 2 minus 1. So this 3 and 3 will cancel. We just get a minus 1. And minus 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 9 minus 1. And the right hand side is 1. So 1. Now look at this, 9 minus 1 is 8, so minus 1 raised to the power 8 is equal to 1. And we know that if minus 1 raised to the power is even number, it's equal to 1. Using this property in above equation, so this will become a 1 and the right hand side is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So this implies x is equal to minus 3 is also the value of x in our question. So possible values of x is equal to plus minus 3 and x is equal to plus minus 1. So we have done. Thank you.